Hey guys, it's Keisha with Side Hustle Keisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful for all the followers I have. Make sure you guys hit subscribe if you're new to the channel, you've never been on the channel, and you haven't subscribed yet. Hit subscribe, but most importantly, hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, you get notified directly to your phone or computer that I've uploaded a new video with new information for either a side hustle or a full-time or part-time job. Everything on this channel, we're going to be talking about opportunities and ways to make money. And these ways may not be by a 1099 employer. So stay tuned because I'm going to have some ways in the next week or two where I am going to create a business, make the money, and show you how I did it. Okay, but right now, today, we're going to be talking about a work from home opportunity, part-time or full-time. So if you want to work your regular job and do this part-time to make some extra money to fund whatever dreams or goals or projects or things that you need to pay for, this is going to be the channel for you to stay connected with. So let's jump right into where all you can find me. You can find me on YouTube at Side Hustle Keisha, but you know you guys can also find me over here on Facebook at Side Hustle Keisha. I post there as well. Make sure you follow me on those pages as well so you never miss what I have in store and some of the cool things I'm going to be doing. We're going into fourth quarter, so there's going to be a lot of ways to make money, especially with the holiday season coming up, so I'll be talking about that as well. But make sure you follow me on YouTube. Make sure you follow me on Facebook. Guess what? I'm also over on Instagram, and I post daily. I post inspirational stuff, maybe tips that I find to help better run your business from home or run your business from your computer or your phone. So stay connected as well with that. And just this is my page, and I post on a weekly basis some tips and hacks that you can use to help grow and make money from home. Okay, so let's jump on over to the first opportunity, and the first opportunity is going to be with a company called, it's the one and only opportunity that I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to kind of always give you a part-time or full-time side hustle that you can do. For those of you who are already working and can't take on a full-time, I'll give you options with either a part-time opportunity as well. So this is with Sitel Group. Sitel Group, it's a work from home inbound call center position. And if you see here, it's a virtual, so you can work from anywhere. I believe there are 3 states that you cannot work: New York, California, and I think I'll find it at the end. I read through it before I wanted to post it, but there's 3 states that you don't. If you're in those 3 states, don't worry. I'm going to look for stuff for you. They periodically, things come up for all over, so hang in there with me. If you're in those 3 states and you're watching this video, share this with someone that you know that's not in your current state, that this opportunity is not available with. But let's move forward. About Sitel Work From Home Solutions. Sitel Work From Home Solutions is a virtual employee-based team supporting global Fortune 500 companies in the insurance, retail, clothing, toy, travel, leisure, sport, telecommunications industry. Just to name a few, Sitel believes that great customer experiences are powered by people who love what they do and where they work. Our culture is one that invests in growth and development of human capital. We hope you all consider joining Sitel Work at Home Solutions team. About us: as caring for customers becomes the differentiator. Listen, this is uncut, unfiltered. I'm going right there. That drives consumer engagement and spend. Sitel is advancing in position as the world leader in outsourced customer experience innovation. So with over 30 years in the industry leading experiences, Sitel's 90,000 passionate and talented associates support more than 400 clients in 48 languages from 146 facilities strategically located in 22 countries, combining comprehensive customer care capabilities, leading omni-channel solution and unparalleled expertise across industries. Sitel collaborates with some of the best known global brands to help consistently deliver outstanding customer experience. Sitel is a subsidiary of Group Adecol. Okay, so that you know that Sitel, just telling you, Sitel services and provides customer support for big name companies. Basically, they went into just kind of giving you who they are and how long they've been in business, over 30 years, right? So the qualifications for this job is prior customer service experience, sales experience, prefers working in a virtual self-management, self-motivated environment, excellent verbal and listening skills, professional and articulate voice, home office that is noise and distraction free, ability to provide superior customer service while navigating multiple systems, including the use of chat to ask and receive internal support, excels working in fast-paced environment with evolving business needs. So you have to have some technical requirements here. Computer minimum specifications are listed here, as well as Windows operating system. The internet minimum specifications are also listed, okay? And what they offer is a unique opportunity for work from home, comfort of your own home while earning regular hourly paycheck, paid training, set schedules. Majorities of the shifts are 30 to 41 hours a week with other opportunities available. Career advancement, 80% of our leadership roles come from internal promotion. So medical and dental benefits for full-time employees, 401k, retirement match, opportunities to earn additional income through incentive opportunities, and also vacation holiday pay, employee discounts with Sitel, many major brands name partners, and world-class virtual team coaching and working environment. All you need is a high school diploma for this position. Let's see here. So that's the job in a whole. So I'm going to go ahead and include the link to this opportunity so you can go ahead and apply in the description box below. If you know someone looking to do something to earn some extra cash or need a full-time job, send this out to them. What I'm seeing is anywhere from $10 to $12 an hour. So this is not something that's going to make you a whole bunch of money, but if you're looking for something to help pay for some of the tools you're going to need to start maybe your online business, like with the online business, you have to pay for tools. If you're looking to create some type of you know, tracking system, or if you're trying to pay for the cost of what it costs to run like your funnels for your business, you're going to need to pay for services with different vendors. So if this is something that you're looking just to make some money, or you're looking to help pay for some of the overhead costs that you're going to have from running home from business, this is a great opportunity. Or you just want you want to work 5 hours a day and make an extra $50, $60 a day, then this is a great opportunity for you, okay? So go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know if you apply for the job. If you get the job, we want to hear about it. So many times people get the jobs and send me messages. Let me know below in the comments so other people that come and watch this video can see it. I'll see you guys in the next video. You have a great day. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.